The gap between the south and the north of the world is more and more accentuated, but also 7 out of 10 people live in the countries where the gap between poverty and wealth there is greater than it was 30 years ago. An alternative to the situation of major inequalities exists. It is called social and solidarity economy, a different paradigm for production, distribution, consumption and saving that puts people and the environment at the center.
Solidarity economy in Europe today is a young, evolving movement. It's a movement of practitioners, actors, people who want to change the way the economy is structured today. Radically change it so that it's for the benefit of the people and not for the profit of the few. The idea that we can produce and consume locally and have the circuits and the supply chains that are under our own control.
Et aujourd'hui, nous avons à apporter la même réponse à ces deux défis. Et l'économie sociale et solidaire est justement cette réponse, c'est-à-dire une économie qui crée de l'emploi, qui s'intéresse aux hommes et aux femmes qui y travaillent et qui protège l'environnement.